tell you about the things I feel inside. There are no words to describe you, just one word that comes to mind, but it won't reveal the magic, only part of what is true. Remember what I say in silence when I tell you I love you. Many years have passed between us, all the memories we shared, and for all the tears in sorrow, there was room enough to care. It's a dream we made together, even though sometimes